You're a director, so naniniwala ka, Direk Kais, na yung quality ng artista dati is iba talaga from now. Lalo na maraming reality shows ngayon.
No, I think ang nakikita mo lang difference kasi ngayon kasi sobrang daming artista. Dahil sa sobrang dami ng quantity, hindi mo napapansin yung quality. Dapat talaga, alagaan mo talaga din yung career. At the end of the day, you are what you make yourself. So kung ano yung pinapakita mo sa tao, yun din naman na magugustuhan nila or yun din naman na yung susubaybay nila na at the end of the day, you have to earn everyone's trust. That's why most of the actors during the 80s and the 90s, yung longevity or yung career mas mahaba.
Career span.
Kasi nakikita na earn mo yung respect kasi sa mga ginagawa mo. And plus the fact that we went through a lot of like the best directors the Philippines has ever produced. Although we have a lot of new breed na magagaling.
Hindi kaya it's about time na medyo bumalik tayo sa ano na yun since our industry now is medyo on the verge of dying.
Alam mo, I don't want to say naman that it's dying. Ang audience at the time and people at the time were going to the movie house. Ang problema kasi natin ngayon, ang mga tao hindi na masyadong pumupunta ng...
Is it because may online Netflix?
The advent of social media and all these other platforms. Yan talaga ang somehow nagpapa ng
industry natin.
Yan talaga. Siyempre hindi mawawala pa rin yung superstar. Pero ang mangyayari niyan, mas maraming magiging actors instead of celebrities or superstars. Mas magiging puro actors na lang. I'm sure meron pa rin yan na nagagawa ng malaking pelikula. But ang karamihan sa magiging pelikula natin, magiging maliit na lang din. So, pagka maliit ang pelikula mo, ang star value mo, lumiliit
din.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, ganun lang talaga yan. I think dyan tayo papunta. Movies, films, television, it's still a form of entertainment. Nagbibigay yan ng aliw. Kailangan maaliw ka, ma-entertain ka. Yan naman ang purpose talaga ng Of course, yung for it to be maging critically acclaimed, then that's another accolade, another feather to your cap. Parang ganun. Para dun sa pelikula. But at the end of the day, ang pelikula, the reason kung bakit ginagawa is to give entertainment.
Entertainment. Yan talaga ang solely
Yan
reason.
talaga.